Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Mindfulness with Pratibha. There are times in life when we feel lot of hopeless, lot of negativity is there because of some hopelessness that is going on in our life. There is so many questions, negative questions in our mind, and lot of we feel so dark, we feel less supported, we feel lost, we feel not encouraged in our life to move forward. Wrong belief system occurs, wrong negativity, things that appear in our life, and we start questioning, will I be able to have a better life? Will I be able to grow? Will I be able to even be successful, have good health and good relationships, and so on? So let's remove all these negative questions, negative beliefs, and take some inspired actions to attract abundance, hopeful life, energetic life by doing Ho'oponopono. But before that, if you're new to this channel, I welcome you all, and you can go through this channel is all about lots of Ho'oponopono videos are there. You can go through them. You can do the meditation. The Ho'oponopono series is there. Lot of questions and answers that you have in your mind that are answered in this Ho'oponopono videos. You can go through them, do your healing, and be a better version of yourself. So let's get started today by doing Ho'oponopono for hopelessness in our life. So let's get started. So first of all, relax your energy, take a deep breath, and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for all the hopelessness that is going in my life. I'm sorry, universe, for holding on to this negative feelings of hopelessness. I'm sorry, universe, for doubting the process, the divine process, not trusting the universe, and creating some block in my life. I'm sorry, universe, for holding on to those negative patterns, wrong questions that I'm asking in my life, and feeling so negative in my thoughts, not taking inspired actions. I'm really sorry for it. Please forgive me, universe, for all the doubts that I'm creating, for this hopelessness that I've attracted in my life. Please forgive me for forgetting that I am supported, I am healing, I am guided by the universe. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Please forgive me for not believing in my inner strength, for not believing in my capability. Please forgive me for all the wrong questions that I'm asking and feeling so hopeless all the time. Thank you, universe. In spite of that, you are healing me and making me rise in life. Thank you, universe, for all the support that you are giving me, that all the love and telling me to do lots of, giving me the lots of inspired actions that I am ready to do and you're telling me to do. So thank you for it. I love myself. I love the process of universe. Thank you, universe, that in spite of being me hopelessness, you are guiding me, you're supporting me, you're loving me, and putting me on the right track of hope, in taking inspired action and letting go all the negative worries out of my life. Thank you, universe. I love myself. I love this process of healing. Thank you for always guiding me. Thank you for giving me all those lessons that is needed for me to grow in life. Thank you for all the challenges that you're giving me and telling me to prepare for a wonderful life in all areas of my life. So I love you, universe. I love the process. I love the hopelessness that is also going on within me. That makes me lot of positive now, that allows me to take inspired action, that allows me to be a balanced person, that allows me now to heal and be positive all the time to attract lots of growth, abundance in all areas of my life. So, thank you, dear universe. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now take a deep breath and release all the negative thoughts that is coming in your mind, all the negative questions that is coming in your mind and that is not allowing you to grow, that is creating some blocks and hopelessness in life. So that when you do this prayer, Ho'oponopono prayer removes all the negativity, and then you are prepared to welcome lot of hope, lot of abundance in all areas of your life, in health, relationship, career and money. So I hope this video makes sense, that video helps you. If you're really feeling hopelessness at times, do come to this video, watch this video, say this prayer and remove all the negativity from your thoughts, beliefs, and take some inspired action so that you are welcoming all the goodness in life, all the hope in life. So do share this video with your friends, families, so that they can also be inspired. It can also help them and remove all the negativity from their life. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.